fruits on the table today. They look so yummy, hip hooray. But wait a moment, don't be fast. Wash your fruits before you chomp. Wash, wash, wash the fruit. Clean it nice and good. Scrub, scrub, rinse it well, just the way we should. Wash, wash, wash the fruit. Let the water flow. Clean fruits taste so good. Now we know. Here's a shiny apple red. Wash me first, the apple said. Underwater, rub it slow. Now it's clean and ready to go. Wash the apple, wash it well. Underwater, can't you tell? Rub it, scrub it, nice and slow. Now it's clean and ready to go. Wash, wash, wash the fruit. Clap your hands and sing. Clean, clean, clean the fruit. Healthy food we bring. Here's a banana, yellow and bright. Wash it quickly, that's just right. Rinse it gently, don't be slow. Now it's clean and good to go. Wash the banana, rinse it bright. Clean and shiny, what a sight. Scrub it softly, nice and slow. Now it's ready, here we go. Wash, wash, wash the fruit. Clean it nice and good. Scrub, scrub, rinse it well, just the way we should. Little strawberry bouncing around. Wash it gently up and down. Splash the water, watch it shine. Now it's clean and tastes so fine. Wash the strawberry, 1, 2, 3. Clean and shiny, can you see? Nab it gently, don't be slow. Now it's ready, off we go. Wash, wash, wash the fruit. Let the water flow. Clean fruits taste so good. Now we know. Grapes in a bunch say, wash us too. Water running fresh and new. In the strainer they all play. Now they're clean and ready today. Wash the grapes and shake them bright. Clean and shiny, what a sight. Splash the water, watch them glow. Now they're ready, here we go. Wash, wash, wash the fruit. Clap your hands and sing. Clean, clean, clean the fruit. Healthy food we bring. Round orange rolling on the table. Wash it now if you are able. Rub it gently, nice and slow. Clean and shiny, off we go. Wash the orange, rinse it well. Underwater, can't you tell? Scrub it softly, watch it shine. Now it's clean and tastes so fine. Wash, wash, wash the fruit. Clean it nice and good. Scrub, scrub, rinse it well, just the way we should. Apple, banana, strawberry too. Grapes and oranges just for you. Wash them all before you eat. Healthy fruits are such a treat. Wash, wash, wash the fruit. Let the water flow. Clean fruits taste so good. Now we know. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Clean fruits are a tasty treat. Wash them well before you bite. Healthy food is just right.